Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Discord. First, open Discord and head to your user settings. Look for the Connections tab on the left-hand side. Click on it, then find and select the Epic Games icon. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection, which allows Discord to display your Fortnite game activity to your friends. This is the essential first step to integrating your gaming experience. Once your accounts are linked, you'll want to ensure your friends can see you playing. Go back to your user settings, then navigate to Activity Privacy. Make sure the option Display Currently Running Game as a status message is toggled on. With this enabled, your Discord status will automatically update to show you're playing Fortnite, including details like your current game mode, making it easy for others to join you. For seamless communication, join a Discord voice channel before starting Fortnite. In your Discord user settings, under Voice and Video, you can configure your microphone and headphones. Decide whether you prefer push-to-talk for controlled communication or voice activity for hands-free chat. Adjust your input and output volumes to ensure everyone can hear you clearly and you can hear them, enhancing your team play. Finally, to play with friends, invite them to your Discord server. Once they are in, you can easily start a game together. If you want to share your experience, use the Go Live feature in a voice channel. Select your Fortnite game window, and you can stream your gameplay directly to your friends. You can share your screen at up to 60 frames per second, offering a smooth viewing experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.